Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I will show you how to increase RAM or memory in your Android phone. First, swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to device care. After that go to memory and give it a moment. Now from here scroll down and here at the bottom you can see RAM plus option, then just tap on RAM plus. Now by tapping here you can turn on RAM plus. Now here you can see two options, 2GB and 4GB. If I select 4GB and then tap on OK, now the phone will take restart to increase your RAM or memory. Then just tap on restart. After restart, 4GB RAM will be selected in your phone and the restart is complete. Now just go to same settings again and then go to RAM plus and it's done. Now you can see in my phone 4GB RAM is selected. And that is how you can increase RAM or memory in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.